welcome to Jason's Acoustic Workshop. This is lesson 16 in the beginner series for acoustic guitar. And today we're going to be doing minor 7th chords. I'm going to play the standard chords, and then I'm going to show you chord diagrams of the bar chords so you can figure it out for yourself. And then I'm going to come back on and I'm going to do the bar chords with you to make sure you've done them correctly. Okay? So let's get to it. Alright, here we go, the A minor 7th chord. What you're going to do is you're going to start with an A minor and take off your third finger. If you don't know how to do an A minor chord, go back a couple of lessons where I'm doing the minor chords. Okay, A minor chord, take off the third finger, A minor 7th. Very simple. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to put up a picture of the chord diagram for the A minor 7 bar chord, stop the video, do the chord, turn the video back on, and let's see if you did it correctly, okay? Alright, let's see if you did it correctly. Okay. You're going to bar the 5th fret with your first finger and then go up 2 to the 7th fret, 5th string, use your third finger, play all 6 strings. There's your A minor 7th chord. Did you do it correctly? If you didn't, go back and look at the chord diagram. Well, I'll probably have the chord diagram up here, so don't worry about that. Play all 6 strings. There you go, A minor 7th bar chord. A minor 7th standard, and A minor 7th bar chord. Make sure you practice them. Now, I'm going to show you the chord diagram for the B minor 7th, okay? Alright, did you understand the chord diagram? Well, I hope you did. Second fret, you're going to bar the 5 strings with the first finger, and then you're going to use the 4th fret, 3rd finger, 4th string, and then 3rd fret, 2nd finger, 2nd string. It's like doing the B minor. Here's your B minor. You take off the 4th finger, like that. B minor 7th. Okay? Right there. Did you get it? Good, good. B minor 7th chord. Now, here is the chord diagram for the C minor 7th chord. Alright, C minor 7th chord. Are you understanding the chord diagrams now? That's good. Now, 3rd fret, you're going to use the first finger to bar the 5 strings. Okay? Then you're going to 5th fret, 3rd finger, 4th string, and then 4th fret, 2nd finger, 2nd string. It's like doing a C minor, but you're taking off the 4th finger. And that is your C minor 7th chord. Did you get it? As you go through these lessons, you're going to see that it's easier and easier to understand the chord diagrams when you practice. Practice, and you will get better. You'll be looking at these chord diagrams and it will be nothing. No problem at all. Alright, so let's get to the D minor 7. Alright, the D minor 7th chord. It's going to be on the first 2 frets here. You're going to use your first finger and you're going to press the 2nd string and the 1st string together at the same time. Okay? Then you're going to go to the 2nd fret, use your 2nd finger, put it on the 3rd string, and then play the bottom 4 strings. And there's your D minor 7th. Just like that. Very simple. Make sure that you're pressing firmly enough where you get a clear sound, and that your first finger is pressing both the second and first string. Okay? Just like that. Okay, I'm going to put up the chord diagram for the D minor 7th bar chord. Alright, is it getting easier? Well, that's good, I hope so. Now, D minor 7th, 5th fret, first finger, bar the only 5 strings. The 6th string, leave alone. And of course, it's like doing the D minor, but you're going to take off the 4th finger. You're going to go to the 7th fret, 4th string, 3rd finger, and then the 6th fret, 2nd finger, 2nd string. So take off the 4th finger if it's a D minor 7th chord right there. Did you do it correctly? Good, I hope so. And like I said, D minor 7th, and you can always tell, just go back to the standard chord and check it out. Just like that. And that's your D minor 7th bar chord. Alright, your E minor 7th chord. This can be done 2 different ways, okay? Now, you remember the E minor. If you don't, go back a couple of lessons. And what you're going to do, I'll show you the first way of doing it. You're going to take off the 3rd finger and play all 6 strings, basically. That's an E minor 7th chord. Now, the second way of doing it is you want to take your 4th finger and put it on the 3rd fret, 2nd string. Just like that. And that is the other way of doing the E minor 7th. So you could do it this way, or you could do it this way. Doesn't matter. Okay? And that's your E minor 7th. Now, here's the bar chord. Alright, I hope you've got it. I hope you've got it. I'm sure you do. Smart people. Now, you're going to go to the 7th fret. Use the 1st finger, bar the 5 strings, leave the top one alone, and use the 9th fret, 3rd finger, 4th string, and then 8th fret, 2nd finger, 2nd string, and play all 6 strings. And there's your E minor 7th. Bar chord. Just like that. Alright. Like I said, when you're looking at these bar chords, look at the fingering, the finger patterns, do it, turn the video back on, and see if you did it correctly. And I'm sure you did. If you've gotten this far, more than likely, 9 times out of 10 you've got it. Sometimes you may need to go back and kind of, for reference, and just redo it again, and that's fine. Believe me, when I first started, I had to do it too. So it's not a problem. So E minor 7th here, and then there, and then your D, E minor 7th bar chord. There you go. Now, we're going to get to the F minor 7th bar chord. Alright, F minor 7th. Alright, you saw the chord diagram. You did it, right? Okay. You're going to bar all 6 strings with the 1st finger, and then you're going to take the 3rd fret, 3rd finger, 5th string, and there is your F minor 7. It's like doing an E minor 7, but you're going up 1 fret. You're using your finger when you bar the strings. It's acting as a capo. So basically, if you do it in E minor, you go to E minor 7, you go to the F minor 7, you're going to bar, because the bar is basically your fingers are being used as the nut, same as a capo. All 6 strings, okay, take the 3rd finger there, F minor 7. Or if you want to, take the 4th finger, if you're flexible enough. Some people are not. So there's your F minor 7 bar chord. Alright, how'd you do? Good, I hope you did well. 3rd fret, you're going to bar all 6 strings with the 1st finger. You're going to go to the 5th fret, 3rd finger, 5th string. There's your G minor 7th. Very simple. Like I said, it's like doing the E minor, or E minor, but with the 1st finger barring the 3rd fret, like a capo. Alright? Take that 4th finger off, leave the 3rd finger on. G minor 7th. Alright, those were the minor 7th chords. And I know that pausing the video, doing the chord diagram yourself, and then coming back to see if you did it correctly is going to help you tremendously. And like I said, we're going to be changing things up. Things are going to get quicker. Things are going to get quicker because you need to, when you're playing the guitar and you're playing songs, you have to be quick. You can't be looking at your fingers and seeing if you did the right chord or not. You have to be fast. It has to be on the fly, okay, if you're going to be doing these songs. So, I hope you're enjoying these videos, and I hope you're getting a lot of benefit out of them, because I really enjoy doing them. And if you do like them, please subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up on these videos, and tell your friends. And give me some comments. Tell me what you think. Okay? So we're going to see you in lesson 17.